Our latest GT3 program, it took us what, 10 months? I want to show you guys a little bit behind the scene of the 992.2 GT3 program. So let's kick it over to Korea. Here we have the 992.2 GT3 package from ADRO. What you see here is 3D printed test fit parts that we always do in the procedure to make sure everything fits perfect and also the design is correct. It's not the final product, but what you see here is pretty close to production. So I want to give you step-by-step guidance of what we did on this car. We put the front lip, which is about 20 millimeters longer than stock. And I've been working with Scott to actually get the right balance because we're getting a new wing on the rear. We had to compensate the front lip to make sure that the balance is correct. This curvature, we gave it a way more presence. And also what we noticed on the 3D printing, we noticed that it's coming out too much. So we are adjusting this line, also making it a bit more edgier to make sure that this surface is not too big. Now, many of you have been asking about this fender. What's really great about this fender is it doesn't only fit the 992.2, but it fits all the 911s of the 992, except for the GT3 RS. We had a lot of complications of, okay, we just found a water reservoir that was hitting this area. So we actually decided to do a lot of investment on actually designing our washer reservoir. We'll have a custom washer reservoir where this fender actually fits with it. What I love about this fender is that it's not really in your face, but it has all the aero elements that you guys basically dreamed of. We got this undercut and a very nice radius where actually the air attaches and it sucks out the air. Also, we got these vents with all the mesh. What was really important for me is that this line does not go out of place. Now on the GT3 RS, the door also has a crease, but not everybody is willing to change the doors. So we had to end it here. And the challenge was, how do we get this fade as well as possible without having to change the soft door? We made sure the line follows the reflection of the door and also made sure that it follows the side blinkers. Now I want to talk about the diffuser. The whole goal of this diffuser was we have a 992.1 GT3 diffuser. It was aggressive, but we wanted to actually take it to the next level. I had a lot of back and forth with Scott to make sure that it doesn't only look aggressive, but all these fins and the section of the under panel is actually functional. We try to get the fins as thin as possible, and at the same time we did not want to let the exhaust pipe to stick in so much, so we gave it a little bit of shape here. Also, we wanted to emphasize the side of the diffuser to actually pull it out from the side. We made sure that all of these parts actually talks the same design language as the body. So as you see here, although this line is coming out quite aggressively, but it flows with the plan shape of the car. So it doesn't look out of place. It works with the car. It works with the complete proportion. It works with the lip coming out 20 millimeters forward, and it works with the diffuser coming out 35 millimeters backwards. So we always take consideration of how to balance the car in not an awkward way. Now this wing is stock 992.2 GT3, but we're replacing it with our new wing. We already have an ATP wing on the 992.1 Porsche, but this one, we wanted to keep it a little bit more subtle. Not everybody wants a super tall wing. It's going to be about 40 millimeters taller than the stock wing. Yes, we are working on a 992.2 GT3, and yes, the fender fits every single lineup except for the 3RS on the 992. So stay tuned. So hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes, and our 992.2 GT3 program is finally ready for pre-order. Let us know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next episode.